Hey friends, welcome to all of you in my English channel Elite English Club, and today I brought a new topic for you, that is personality development. And today I'll tell you how to build self-confidence. This would be a first topic of my this personality development. So I'll give you some tips to work on your personality and so that you can build your self confidence. So, first of all, you will have to see some points on it. Then only you can focus on your work and on your goal. So, let's start. First, identify your negative thoughts. There are so many thoughts which are negative comes in your mind, and like I can't do that, I will surely fail, no one wants to hear what I have to say. This inner voice is pessimistic and unhelpful and will hold you back from achieving high self-esteem and greater self-confidence. So if you want to remove your negative thoughts, stop thinking such type of sentences in your mind. That time you can build your self-confidence and you can keep on thinking on your positive thoughts. So first step is identify your negative thoughts and turn them into positive. Second is, that is next, turn your negative thoughts to positive thoughts. As I told you, you have to pay attention to your negative thoughts, turn them around to positive thoughts. This may take the form of positive affirmations such as I am going to try it, such as I can be successful if I work at it, or people will listen to me. Start with just a few positive thoughts a day and you can build your negative thoughts into positive. And the next is refuse to focus on negative thoughts more than positive thoughts. So you have to refuse the negative thoughts. Eventually, your positive thoughts should be given more brain space than your negative thoughts. That time you can focus them. The more you counter your negative self thinking with positivity, the more natural this will become your positive attitude. So keep all the time trying to turn your negative thoughts into positive thoughts and always speak positive sentences. Do not use I can't. Okay? So next is eliminate your reminders of your negativity. If you have lots of things which reminds you for your negativity, you just throw them out. You just delete them from your life and avoid spending time around things that can make you feel bad about yourself again. These might be reminders from the past, clothing that no longer fits, or places that don't fit with your new goals of gaining confidence. Though you may not be able to get rid of every negative source in your life, you can certainly think about how to cut your losses. This will go on a long way in building your self-confidence up. Take the time to sit down and think over it. All the things that are bringing you down, from mean friends, a career you don't much care for, or a living situation that is almost unbearable, then only you can eliminate them. Next is maintain a positive support. Connect with those close to you, whether they are family or friends, to keep your perspective uplifted. Furthermore, stay away from people or things that make you feel bad. Someone you call a friend may actually make you feel bad if they constantly make negative remarks or criticize you. Even well intended family members who weigh in with their opinions about what you should do or what you should be doing can be destructive to your self confidence. As you cultivate your own positive attitude and take steps to achieve your goals, these naysayers may become more evident. As much as possible, limit your contact with them while you build your self confidence. Take some time to think about which people in your life really makes you feel great. Make a goal to spend more time with people who are supportive and uplifting and who can give you positive vibes. Our next tip is identify your talent. So, everyone is good at something. So, discover the things at which you excel and then focus on your talents. Give yourself permission to take pride in them. Express yourself whether it is through art, music, writing or dance. Find something you enjoy and cultivate a talent to go with your interests. Adding a variety of interests or hobbies to your life will not only make you more confident, but it will increase your chances of meeting compatible friends as well. When you are following your passion, not only will it have a therapeutic effect, but you will feel unique and accomplished, all of which can help build your self confidence. And the next is accept compliments gracefully. When someone give you compliment, you just accept them gracefully. Many people with low self-esteem have difficulty taking compliments. They assume that the person complimenting them is either mistaken or lying. If you find yourself responding to a compliment by rolling your eyes, saying yeah, right, or shrugging it off, you should reframe your response to compliments. Take it to heart and respond positively. Saying thank you and smiling works well. Let the person giving the compliment know that you really appreciate it and work to reach the point where you are able to truly accept the compliment at heart. You can add the compliment to your list of positive attributes about yourself and use it to boost and bolster your self-confidence. Our next tip is look in the mirror and smile. Studies surrounding what is called the facial feedback theory suggest that the expressions on your face can actually encourage your brain to register or intensify certain emotions. So, by looking in the mirror and smiling every day, you might feel happier with yourself and more confident in the long run. This will also help you feel happier about your appearance and to accept the way you look. Other people will likely respond to you well when you smile at them. So, in addition to making yourself feel happier, you may get a boost in confidence due to the feedback you get from other people as well. Our last but not the least tip is take pride in yourself. It is very necessary to take pride in yourself. Not only should you feel proud of your talents or your skills, but you should also think about the things that make your personality great. It can be your sense of humor, your sense of compassion, your listening skills, your ability to cope under stress. You may not think that there is anything about your personality worth admiring, but if you dig deep, you will realize that you have plenty of admirable qualities. Focus on them by writing them down also. So these were tips to build your self-confidence. I hope you like this video and keep on watching. My next video will also come with your personality development. So till then, take care. Thank you.